here's this annoying ps5 error 023. So one of the most popular solutions to that is just basically that you just need to close the game, then log into the ea.com website via browser, not via console, and then open the game again, and it should go away. So these are the solutions how you can just fix it out, on the Reddit app. So yes, that's just the idea. This is one of the solutions. Right now, I don't know what are the other options here are. Like I was just searching about it, and doesn't seem there are much other, solutions around this. So it's all basically the same solution around the internet. And seems this errors just keeps happening again and again. So yep, as you can see, it happened some time ago. So yep, but seems at the moment you just need to basically again try it out, sign in. So here's another one. So sign in to EA account with the EA website on a phone or computer. You'll then be able to sign in with your PlayStation account credentials. A window should pop up to accept the terms and conditions with EA. Then try to launch Apex again, or any other game. So that's just what you can try.